So I found this texture at pexels.com, and I'm free to use this however I'd like. So I went ahead and dragged this over. Could go ahead and bring it to the front. See if I can't apply a transparency setting on here that could make it look really neat with the red underneath. Oh, I love that kind of texture. So let's keep playing around. Overlay, hard light. Let's see. Ooh, that neat grainy texture. Look at that. That is so cool. Okay, I really like that. All right, luminosity, multiply. Ooh, multiply looks nice. I might need to adjust my color underneath so it's not masked too much. Yeah, I think I like multiply. Okay, that is one option for texture. I found another one I want to check out. And we could always use multiple textures to create your own unique texture. You don't have to use just one. Create several different blends of different ones to create your own blend. You can do the same thing. I'm going to keep this on the top because I want the letters to show through with the texture. Let's go ahead and cycle through some. Ooh, yeah, I like that a lot, but I think it's a little overwhelming, so let's cycle through and see if there's something softer. Color, saturation. Okay, well, that's interesting. So overlay, but let's, is that the one I liked, overlay, or was it color burn? I think it was overlay or hard light. Hard light, there it is. I'm going to back it off a little bit, the transparency. And I wonder if the background texture, let's go ahead and select the next one underneath. So this is that other texture we worked with. I'm just going to kind of reduce the transparency there. That'll help brighten up the red. We're kind of getting a look here. Let me see if I can't drag that kind of there so it doesn't bother me. Okay, I'll figure all that out later. So let's go ahead and save it. I like where we're going. I'm going to save this as a third iteration. Iteration is just a fancy word for version. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I feel like it's almost too dark. Like I need to have something pop out here. But that'll be easy for us to pick out. And let me go ahead and take our, might need to go ahead and take our two textures and cut those out and form a new layer so those don't bother us. So lock it. So now we just have our one layer with the type on it, so I can go ahead and drag this around freely. Let's go ahead and make sure we have the right spacing here between this and this. That's pretty close. We also want to have similar spacing here and here. And we don't. So let me kind of do some adjustments. Bring that, oops. Looks like I didn't grab a shadow layer. There we go. I'll probably just group that and make it easier for me to shift down. So now, you know, we can play around a little bit more with, you know, some shapes. We could just take a box here. Now that we have our texture layer on top, it'll go ahead and apply our texture layer. So this is where we can use our designer's eye to catch things that we think would look neat. Maybe some kind of some vertical shapes there. Play around with an angle here just to playing around with sizing too. Let's see. Ooh, that looks neat. There's so many different versions. I might make 3 or 4 different versions and kind of put it out on my Facebook group, my student Facebook group, and kind of have a poll of which version they like, because I have a hard time. I can create 20 different versions of a design because I don't know which one I like better. Ooh, I like making that an orange because that really pops out. So let's play around with the color here. I almost wonder, what if I selected every other one and applied a different darker color or lighter color? So I'm just going to go to Edit Colors and Adjust Color Balance and do it this way. Just click on Preview. Wow, very interesting. So I'd have to adjust that shadow, but that looks neat too. So let's go to Edit Colors, Adjust Color Balance, see if I can't brighten it up, if that would look good at all. Kind of. Ooh, what do you guys think? Before, after. I do worry about using pink. I don't want it to look feminine, but I don't want it to look masculine. I want it to kind of be gender neutral. So just color balance. So I'm just kind of finding, I mean, I like the pink. Wow, that is so bright. Look at that. That takes on a whole new look, doesn't it? This could be a nightclub poster at that kind of bright neon pink. So just amazing how colors really change the mood and the tone of a piece, doesn't it? So I'm going to just continue to play. So let's go ahead and save different versions, and we can just play around, and we know we have our other version is safe. So we can feel free to kind of play around more. I'm wondering if I can frame this somehow, and there's so much empty space on the top and the bottom. I don't know if there's anything I could do, like a little shape. Kind of frame it a little bit, but not overwhelm it, so maybe a thin line. This kind of helps frame it, kind of helps make it more of a grounded as a square. Before, it looked a little right heavy, but with this kind of anchoring lines, it kind of brings it together as kind of one square as opposed to kind of a lopsided shape. Of course, we can make these any color.